I just found out this build of taking the Raven, and so this build is for the players who are free to play. They don't spend any money. As you can guys see that I'm only on level 30, and it's level 30 and I'm in gold league. Okay, gold second or gold first. So it's like a totally free to play account. And here I have my Raven with the Nessa Rigs pilot. And because again I'm saying, as you are free to play, you wouldn't have any legendary drones or epic drones a lot. That's why I'm just going with the classic sidekick. And so this is the current build I have. And two girls. Now you can put another storm. This is like a close range shotgun type build, but you can have another storm, but I chose a freedom Scardy because it can continuously attack, so you can't stop the attack. I suppose it's better. So let's just have a round of it. Not here. Here. Okay, I'll see you in the game. So guys, you can see I'm about to drop in the game, and we have landed in the map, and here we have our Raven. So this is especially and so you can reach places pretty quickly. And I love to start off with this side beacon. Hawk. As I have the Nessa Rigs pilot, I can see the amount of damage I just did. Got a kill already. Okay, so I can't get the links, I'm sure of it, because this is I don't have a very good Raven, a maxed out one. Getting a links is practically impossible. And yeah, so I'm going to show you more gameplay just in a second. So here guys, I'm dropping inside another game, and the specialty about what I'm showing, basically this is for the free to play players. I hate it when the pay to win players just get so OP and free to play players are just like nothing in comparison. So that's why this is a build which can help. These are basically the builds I used to have when I was in lower leagues, and I thought to retry them in a higher league, and they actually worked out pretty decent. So that's why I wanted to just show everyone. If anyone gets ideas, he or she can use them. So as you can see, we have a lynx, and lynxes are like impossible to defeat in this league. Well, of course you have like those weapons, but with this setup, I don't think so. So as you can see, we have a Natasha in the front, and yeah, bots like those are pretty handy. So yeah, I did a lot of damage to it, and then I'm just going to take cover for a second before jumping again and dealing some more damage. So you can play this build as a support if you like to play it. See how my this thing got scaling. So yeah, I'm going to show you a few more games and then we'll call it. So guys, here we are in our last game, and basically the reason of me showing this build is that you can discover new possibilities with the Raven. It's good in lower leagues and for free to play players, because I have seen YouTubers show most of the builds, and it's not very useful for low leagues or for free to play players, because it's very hard to get those robots and those weapons. So here we are, and this is a good in the center, and that one I use a lot or something. Now you see. So in the center, I think this is this one. No, it's a cafe. Just see the amount of damage I need to deal to this cafe. It was not very much, but see, that's where the this thing comes well, I have a feeling that that's where that thing came glitching. The sky when my shotgun were destroyed. I use that, and here I have my Skyro, so I just want to show you a full game. Here I have my Skyro, which has sonic weapons, and I couldn't get the so that's why I just have this Scorcher. Here I'm securing this beacon, and I'm gonna move forward. So I see that's a Dagon right there. Dragon Dagon. That part is parcels. I can't use any of them for healing or anything. For Dagon. Stop it. Yeah, so here I am. I won that game and it was over. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you learned something today. Thank you. Signing off.